In this video, we'll find the mean of 1, 2, 3, and 4. Short answer, the mean is 2.5. Let me show you how we did that. So when we find the mean, we're going to take the sum of all the numbers. We're going to add all these numbers up, and then we're going to divide it by the total number of numbers. When you have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers up here. That's going to look like this. So we're going to add them together right here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4, that equals 10. And then the total number of numbers, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where this 4 right here came from. 10 divided by 4, let's do this. Let's just cut them both in half since they're even numbers. That would give us 5 over 2. And 5 over 2, that's the same as 2.5, or you could call it 2.5. So that's it. That's how you find the mean of 1, 2, 3, and 4. The answer? 2.5, or you could call it 2.5, or you could call it 5 halves. It's Dr. B. Thanks for watching.